Cormac, my response is for you about the proliferation of nuclear arms. Um, I agree that that's a pretty um, understandable concern with the development of nuclear weapons by some of the states that may be perceived to be a little less stable than the United States with regards to world security, global security. Um, the United States and Russia both have currently what's called the New START agreement that caps the development or caps the allowance of nuclear armed missiles to be at 1500, 1550, I believe, and that goes through 2018. Right now, that is being kind of thrown around in talks between the current administration and the Russian Prime Minister. So I believe we will see in the next, obviously, couple years how that pans out. The question you asked about countries like India, Pakistan, North Korea, and then potentially looking at Iran, maybe Saudi Arabia, looking to enhance their political standing in the globe by developing such weapons. The text does refer to that. I don't have it right here, but I mean, it talks about how countries like that, attain a certain power once you're developing nuclear weapons, and it becomes a little easier for you to exert that influence across the region when you're a nuclear power. I think that the biggest threat right now is probably non-state actors, and the text refers to that on page 270, where it says that officials today are most concerned that the prospect of WMD is escaping the control of state actors. And I think that right there, that tells us what the biggest threat is with regards to countries developing these weapons on their own. Obviously, the technology is widely available, but the resources of uranium and plutonium and then to enrich those are the tough part. I know I'm over my 2 minutes, and thank you so much. Have a good one.